Hi, this is how we jive from mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this, we're going to show you how you can download and install Google Drive to your Mac Mini, iMac, or any other version of Apple computer. So in this case, what you have to do, open a browser, Google Chrome, Safari, whatever you like. Write Google Drive for Mac. I put here Drive for English because they are sending me Spanish version. Then I went to this page from App Store. I can't download because this is for phone and iPad. You see here, not for Mac. So I will leave the link at the description from where you can download Google Drive exactly from Google page. If you find direct link, you can download from there or check this link. So I hit here download for Mac. In this case, you can see it's filling here the downloading option. Loading is done. Click this one and you see Google Drive here, and I click this one. It's opening. You see introduction. Hit continue button. Install for all user in this computer. Continue. Hit install. Put your password of your Mac. Hit install software. Writing files is done. Welcome to Google Drive. Now hit get started. Sign in. Sign in your Google account. Put the password, all the information. Hit sign in. Success is done to Google Drive, and here is loading. Google Drive would like to start synchronizing all other information. We have Google Drive. I hit OK. This folder of Mac, if you want in your Google Drive appear. If you want, it will appear. If you don't want, I hit skip. I don't want. Got it. Synchronize with Drive, backup photos. Got it. I don't want picture of my Mac in Google and movies, other thing. I hit skip as well. Okay. I hit next button. Okay. Open Drive. I hit here. Let's see. Here at the top you see Google Drive appear. Any moment you want, click to this option. Go to Google Drive folder. Here is my drive. You can see here different folder I have. And all the information that you have in Google Drive in other computer, other places will appear here. Simple guys. So this is the way you can install Google Drive and connect with your account in your Mac computer. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.